I've got an idea for today's build. I want to make a shield that incorporates the 250 in it. You know, the typical American shield with the red, white, blue. I'm going to cut the 250 out with the plasma cutter, put some decorative sheet, perforated sheet metal behind the 250, so you see the perforations in it, behind it. Paint it red, white, and blue, stripes. I'm giving myself 1 day to build this. And right now it is 7:46 in the morning, July 3rd. Cut off pretty quick there. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this done, but the goal is to get this thing finished today and get the paint dry to where I can put a clear coat on it, display it to you, upload the video in the morning on July 4th. So we're going to get busy right now and get the plasma cutter going, get some designs going. I'm going to pencil it out right in front of you here. So stay with the video, look at the end result, tell me if I did a good job. I like to get everything penciled in, and I'll come back through with a Sharpie, try to get a nice contour. I'm trying not to look at things online. I'm trying to do this all off the top of my brain. Of course, I'm probably remembering something I've seen before, but that looks like a shield. I want to come up here with something, have my red and white stripes going down, my 250 up here, blue, red, white stripes, put my perforated steel behind the cutout numbers, and start painting. Sounds easy, but we'll see. Doesn't look good. It just looks shitty. It looks shitty. I'm going to redo it. I'm going to sand that off, get myself, I'm going to go in the office, print out some numbers, put them on there, and just use the actual template for the numbers. It won't take long. While I was in there printing these numbers out, I like this font. So we'll go with those. Those look more appropriate for what we're doing here. So anyway, when I walked back over here, I noticed that this shield looked too wide. So what I'm going to do now is I'll just simply come in a couple of inches, make a mark, come in a couple of inches here, make a mark, and I'll just simply redo this line. First thing we need to look at is our proportions. If it's disproportionate, it's going to look funny. So right now it looks like it's been stretched this way and not enough this way. And I've only got so much height here with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make some lines over here, get it set so it cuts that 16 gauge. as clean as I can. Then I'll cut my numbers out. It's doing pretty good. I'm going to turn it up a little bit, turn the heat up a little bit. I was on 28. I'm going to go to 35. We are at almost 9:15. All right, we limped in with that one. I'm gonna double side tape this part of the O in there just for now. And I'll come back off camera when we're done later. And use E6000 to actually glue it on permanent. But I want to show you the finished thing now.